Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this day we will do the last activity of the NetAcad, which is in chapter 11. The title of this activity is Configuring Secure Password and SSH. This is the addressing table of this activity. The scenario. The network administrator have asked you to prepare RTA for deployment before it can be connected to the network. Security measure must be enabled. Requirements. We need to configure IP addressing on PCA according to the addressing table. Then console into RTA from the terminal on PCA. Then configure IP addressing on RTA and enable the interface. Then number 4 is configure the hostname as RTA. We need to do that, but we need to do that later. But we need to later. Okay. Encrypt all plain text password using the RTA config. Number sign service password encryption. Then set a strong secret password of your choosing. Then set the domain name to rta.com, case sensitive for scoring in PT. Excuse me. RTA, we need to type RTA config, then IP domain name rta.com. Then next is create a user of your choosing with a strong password. Then you need to do is type RTA config, number sign, username, any user, password, any password. Next, generate 1024 bits RSA key. Then note, in the packet tracer, enter the crypto key generate RSA command and press enter to continue. Okay. Then next, we need to type the RTA config crypto key generate RSA. Okay. Block anyone for 3 minutes who failed to log in after 4 attempts with a 2 minutes period. By doing that, we need to type the RTA config number sign login block for 180 attempts for within 120. Okay. Then next is configure the BTY lines for SSH access and use the local user profiles for authentication. By doing that, we can do it by typing the RTA, then config and number sign line BTY04. Then next is RTA config line number sign transport input SSH. Then RTA config line number sign login local. By doing that, we so by by the use of this, we can build a password now. Okay, sorry for the interruption and the background sound. Then next, we need to save the configuration to NVRAM. Then next is be prepared to demonstrate to your instruction that you have established SSH access from PCA to RTA. Okay. So we are this is the topology of this activity. I'll already do the console like this connection PCA to RTA, then PCA to switch and RTA to switch. Okay. Where's the no? Oh my god. Okay, just wait. Oh. god, just wait for a while before I okay, press return. Okay, we are ready to configure this what we call that, this activity. So configure IP addressing on PC according to the addressing table, then console into RTA from the terminal on PCA. So we do that na. Then next will be configure IP addressing on RTA and enable the interface. Okay, then configure the host name as RTA. Okay, we need to do that. We need to do that. Okay, we need to type enable here. The password will be because I'll already do it na, then I will do it because I already do it, so I will do it again for you to understand. So class, okay, router. So we need to type configure terminal here, configure terminal, or CommT if you want to have a shortcut key. Then just type the configure IP addressing on RTA and enable the interface. So we need to enable the interface by typing the interface gigabit ethernet. What spelling of internet? Ethernet 0 /0. Then we need to what we call that, this IP address and subnet mask. By the way, we need to in the IP address here, IP address 192.168.10.10.10.1. Then the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.0. Then we need to type no shutdown here, because we use the IP address. Then we need to type exit here. So sorry for the sound, it's very annoying. Okay, next is configure the hostname as RTA. We need to change the router to RTA. So by doing that, we need to type hostname RTA. Okay, it changed to RTA. Then encrypt all plain text password. So by doing that, we need to type the service password encryption, service password encryption. Okay, encryption, service password encryption. Then secret. Then we need to enable the secret secret password, which is secret class plus here. Then okay, we are done for that. Then set the domain name to rta.com. So then by doing that, we need to type the IP domain name rta.com. Okay, then .com. Next is create user of your choosing with a strong password. So we need to type the username any.user, password any password. So we need to type username here, username any user, password, then any password. So we need to type Cisco here. We need to type any user password Cisco. Okay, we are done that. Next is we need to enter the crypto key, generate RSA command and press enter to continue. So by doing that, we need to type the crypto key, generate RSA. Okay, yes, because I already. So how many bits in modulus? Choose key modulus. So it will be 1024. Okay. So it will be 10 key RSA key modulus. Okay. Then next for that is block anyone for 3 minutes who failed to log in after 4 attempts. 4 attempts within 120. So period. So by doing that, we need to log in. We need to type log in block how to block for 180 attempts for within 120 blocks for login block. Okay, so it is enabled now. So next, so configure the BTY lines for SSH access and use the local user profile for authentication. So by doing that, we need to type the line BTY04 here, then transport input SSH, then the login local. Okay, so save the configuration to NVRAM. So by doing that, we need to exit here and copy Oh, we need to exit here ulit. Then copy running config startup config. Okay. Okay. So we are done in this activity. So I hope you understand it. So that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.